We have now opened up our portfolio to fire stopping. It is a legal requirement that you have to have fire stopping in buildings where there are gaps above the ceiling or gaps between two walls.
The passive fire protection industry is based on a premise called compartmentation, and that's basically taking a building and subdividing it down into what we call fire compartments. A fire should not spread outside a fire compartment. If you design a high-rise building, then basically you're looking for the fire to spread to no more than 2 floors before the fire brigade can come along and bring that building under control. The biggest problem when you build a building is that you can build it with nice concrete floors and walls, but you're going to put holes in for services and windows, doors, all those sorts of things, and those are always going to be weak spots for fire and smoke to pass through. So we manufacture products that will be fully tested and compliant to reinstate the fire compartments within the building. Pre-Grenfell, I would say that the vast majority of fire stopping went into new build. But really new build only accounts for maybe 1% of the buildings every year that there are in the UK. So you've got 99% of the buildings that are existing build, and there's been a rush to look at the existing builds and to see whether they meet the requirements and the safety requirements that there are under the UK regulations. So this has created a mass market in going back over what is now termed to be legacy work to go and ensure that these buildings are brought up to the standard that they should have been at the time they were built. At the end of the day, what you're looking for is peace of mind.
We are one of the only companies that is national that has an accreditation of Fire S Warrington Fire.